Hello, and welcome to this new video where we share companies hiring internationally for different jobs postings. Today we are looking at an accounting position at a company called Casa Living, and they are looking for an account receivable coordinator. So all of you guys who have that in your job experience, like account receivable, account payable, account reconciliation, that if you do those tasks at work or if you have ever done those tasks, then this job is for you. Okay, so CASA is searching for an accounts receivable coordinator to join the finance team, reporting to the billing manager. You will help build CASA's global brand by initiating collection on non-traditional payments, verifying proper payment resolution, and ensuring database accuracy. CASA is building an efficient and effective finance team to ensure best-in-class financial reporting and guest satisfaction. This role is based remotely and you will report to the billing manager at CASA HQ in San Francisco. Okay, so for you to succeed in this position, you need to have just 1 year of experience in billing, account receivable or accounting, be proficient in Microsoft Excel or Stripe. Accounting background is preferred but not required. You need to have excellent attention to details and strong time management skills because this role involves multiple ongoing processes that require superior attention to details. You are highly motivated and able to maintain efficiency while working independently, and you know how to work as a team player. There is an added plus if you work in the hospitality industry, that is travel, tourism, and stuff like that. If you work for small and large enterprises, companies. Okay, they tell you kind of like deliverables that you'll be able to achieve after working with them for like a year and what a day in their life looks like, okay, and benefits of working with them. And they tell you this role is fully remote. We set a location because some job boards require it. So just to tell you, they are looking for you. Do not come with excuses and saying that, oh, the location said XYZ. No, sometimes the job board requires it, okay? They tell you also more about the company that you can read more about. To apply for this position, simply include your first and last name, email address, phone number, upload your resume here. And even if you're not authorized to work in the US, like you just answer those questions, like no, and all those kind of things. Remember that you don't have to be in the US to apply for this job. And they want to know about your experience with Microsoft Excel, finance, billings, and account receivable, and all that good stuff. And then you submit your application and you're good to go. I hope you found this video helpful, and most importantly, I hope that you end up going to apply. If you need help and assistance writing amazing cover letters and resumes, make sure you check out my remote work starter pack, which gives you amazing cover letters and resume templates to make it easy and straightforward for you to apply for these types of jobs. The link is in the description box of this video. Until then, see you in the next video. Bye.